Hi guys, so let me show you where I get fresh fruits and vegetables as a food content creator. So you know what, let's go. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today I am taking you to Texpo Market, where I buy my local vegetables, fruits, spices and all that. Okay, so this is where I get them at cheaper prices. They are fresh from the farm, they are healthy, and they are nutritious. So you know what, just follow me, let me take you around so we see where to get good stuff. Okay, thank you guys, so let's go.
Yes, mushroom.
Mommy. So on Saturdays, fresh farm produce are brought from the villages to Texpo Market on the Splinters Road. Over here, you get fresh farm produce like vegetables, fruits, and they are very, very affordable, okay? So on Saturdays morning, this is where I shop. As a food content creator, so I buy my fruits, vegetables, spices, cereals, and the likes. So over here, I am buying some local garlic, shallots, and the exotic garlic. Yes, so this is what I use for my mise en place. Now family, let's explore the markets. Yes, so on the Splinters Road in Accra, Ghana, this is Texpo Market I present to you. Just come here on Saturdays and get all your farm produce at affordable prices. So you can see plantains, yam, cassava, ripe plantains, straight from the villages. So this is where I get my white coconut flour, legumes, cereals, and co. So let's visit Mama Lena and see what she got. So she's going to show us what we have today. So mommy, let's go. So what is this?
This is foreign brown.
Okay, okay.
Millet powder.
Okay. Okay.
And we have processed there.
Okay.
Samolina is here.
Yes, and then
oats is here.
okay, okay.
Roasted cod powder. Guinea corn powder. Popcorn.
Yes. Okay.
Samolina here.
Okay.
Is here. Agushi is here.
Okay.
Brown rice.
Okay. So you see, when you come to our local market, Texpo, Splinters, we have all these. She's very serviceable and beautiful. Look at her. Oh. Mommy, say hi to my yeah, so when you come to Texpo, come to
Home of Cereals.
Home of Cereals. Auntie Lena. Yes, and then she's going to serve you perfectly. She also has some local honey here and granite paste, dawa dawa, and all that. All right, so mommy, bye-bye. So we also have here momone, stockfish or salted fish, dried fish, salmon, ayoyo, boko boko, ademe, okra, palm oil, and the rest. Guys, let's explore the market. Okay, we can see some earthenwares, apotoyua or asanka, and the likes. Let's go here. See? Aha! Okay. So Texpo Market. Yeah, you can see how she's serving her customer beautifully here. Yes, and she's also beautiful. So that is that. Okay. All right. Thank you, Sister Felicia. Okay. Bye. Yeah. So this is where I buy my apples and my parents. So say hello to my clients. Yeah, so if you want fresh apples and pera, come to her, yeah. Mommy, let's use, mommy, thanks to this. May try watch me, mommy, I can see you. I am fresh there. It's super fresh, let's use, I know what I say. Madame Funi. I don't know, what's on the soap? Okay. So guys, I hope you like this video. Why don't you give us a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and please share to the whole world so they will know that we have this beautiful Texpo Market in Accra, Ghana. This is fresh tomatoes here. Yes. What's in those now? We have pear here. We have okay, pear they are saying 15. Okay, and dragon fruits. 40, but so better so. Okay, and now potatoes, pineapple. The near money are very nice. Patrol dinner day. Oh sure. Me don't work TikTok. Me promote too near man near better. Okay, all right. You see, me pay dragon fruits no. Why? I'm a back about me so why? And see, I am exhausted. So going home now. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you. Bye bye.